Good morning to all. So today we are discussing a module 5 and session 4, that is searching. What is mean by search? So here is a data structure. First thing is what we have a lot of data. So in that data, what we required, we have to go for the we have to go and search the particular content, and we have to pick. So like that way, here is the data structures. We have to searching is the most important thing, and this searching concept already we discussed module 4. So binary search on that under the topic tree and binary search tree we are discussing. So now we are going to discuss with the different types of searching in module 5. So first one is the linear search. So what is mean by linear search? Linear search is a very simple search algorithm. In this type search, a sequential search is made over all items only one by one. So every item is checked, and if a match found them particularly item, it return. Otherwise, the search continues till the end of the data collection. So very clear. Here is the very clear and very simple. If the item, if the item is checked, if the match found the particular item, it is returned to first one for initial stage. Otherwise, the search continues till the end of the data collection. So this is the importance of the search. So this is the about of linear search. Now we have to go for the how it's work linear search. So we have a different integers. So suppose that we want find the in that particular particular data collection, we want to find the 33 in the array of element. So how we can find the 33? See, here is the first starting is the initial stage is the 10, 14, 19, and 26, 27, 33. This is the almost this is the short the all array. So in this we have to find the value of 33. How many steps we need? First one is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps is we required to search the 33 number from a given array element. So here is the very clear. So we have a lot of data, means a big data collection we have. So in this big collection data, we want to find the particular item or particular integer or particular alphabet for given moment of time. So here is the one more thing. First thing it is we have a sorting the no problem. If we are not in a sorting position, so how we can do this process? So that is the very important for the searching uh, in a searching topic. So this is the way to we are searching. Now we are going to discuss with the binary search. What is mean by binary search? So binary search is a fast search algorithm with a runtime complexity of 0. That means log of n. So here is the binary search is a very interesting concept, because of see here is the fast of the search. We require the fast of the search. Previous linear search, what happened, one by one step we found the item value of 33. But here binary search not like that. We can go for the fast and fast. How it can we can see. So the complexity of binary search is the 0. That is log of n. That is the most advantage. And next one is binary search algorithm works on the principle of divide and compare. We can divide and compare. See, if we have this many items, so item wise we can divide, and each item we can compare. For this algorithm to work properly, the data collection should be in the sorted form. So particularly in this binary search algorithm particularly works on the data collection should be in the sorted form. So we have to sort it first thing, then only we'll go for the binary search algorithm. This is the about a binary search algorithm basic information. Now how it's work, the binary search works, binary works. So here is the below given is our sorted array, and assume that we need to search the location of 31 using the binary search. So here is the all sorted array we have. So in that we have to go for the find the item of 33 1 31 value. So first we shall determine the half of the array by using this formula. So we have to divide the total array by using the formula, that is the middle, that means the average, that is equals to mid is equals to low plus high minus low by 2. So here is the, here it is the low value is 0, low value is 0 value, and high value is, our high value is 9. So again low value is 0, so totally 9 by 2, that is equals to 4, 4.5. So integer value 4.5 is equals to 4. So 4 is the mid of array. So the mid of array is where is 4 value. So 4 value, that is equals to 27 value. So we change our low to mid plus 1 value. So mid plus 1 value, and final the new value again. So low equals to mid plus 1 value is what is 4 plus 1, that is equal 5. Mid equals to low plus high minus low by 2. So our new mid is 7 now. We compare the value stored at the location 7. So here is the 7 value we are, okay, our target value is 31. Our target value is 31. So the value is shorted location is 7 is not match. So whatever we are taking the from low value, it's a not correct. Rather it is less than what we are looking for. So we are looking for the 31 value. So that value must be in lower part from this location. So according to lower and higher order, we higher mid value, lower mid value, we find the value is according to lower part of the location. So this is the understanding of things. Now, so we calculate the mid again. This is the time is 5. This time is 5. So that is equals to 531 we compare. We compare the value stored and location is a 5 with our target value. We find that is a match 31. So we found the value is 35. We conclude that target value 31 is the stored at the location of 5. This is the binary set how we are performing by using the different steps. So first we find the we find the first we find the value of mid value we find, that is equals to low plus I minus low by 2 value we find. So that is equals to 4.5 it came. Again low mid value we find, low equals to mid plus 1 value we find, but is 7, that is not a correct location, stored location. Then again we went for the lower part, then we found the 5 is the correct value. So according to we concluded that 31 stored at location is 5. So this is the way to we have to calculate, we have to find the, or we search the values in a binary search algorithm. So present session we are discussing the what is the searching, and how we can useful for the data structure and data collection process we discussed, and what kind of searching algorithms we discussed here. So first one is the linear binary search algorithm we discussed. So linear binary search algorithm, we are going to the step by step algorithm. And second thing is we discussed with the binary search algorithm. Here is the binary search algorithm compared to the linear search algorithm. It's a very good because of fastest algorithm, and it's a divide and compare the total array items. So that's why we are going to the we are preferable for the binary search algorithm, and complexity is the zero when we are computational process, that is equals to log of n value. So this is the about of present session. So this is the importance of search algorithm for the data structure and applications. Thank you.